Hi guys, and welcome back in this new video. Today it's just a little one, just to show you all the things that I couldn't show you on the last one because I wasn't finished, and also to answer some questions that I've got under the videos. So as you can see, the folding countertop, it's done. It covers the induction completely, so it's protected when not in use, because it's, you know, it's glass. And I saw many videos of people complaining because they break the induction. And then, of course, somebody pointed out that I have a knob over there in the way. But I modified the knob so I can take it out and open it. I have here the key for the locks here. It comes out. It's like a cylinder that comes out, and there's another one here, and I made two holes right here, and when it's open I can just lock in place, and I have a full L-shaped kitchen. And of course the knob can be reinstalled, so as you can see it's sit flush all the way from one side to the other. There is almost no gap here, and just a little bit here because, you know, it needs to move. I'm pretty happy, and I left a little bit of space here for this thickness, and a little bit more, of course. But yeah, let's see if I can do it with one hand. Open it, and voila. And the hinges are working great, actually. I think it's good, really good, I mean. So yeah, it's working great. So I didn't install the temperature sensor where I was thinking to install it. Just put it here because it's temporary. I want to wait more and think about where to place it when everything is more, you know, finished. Under the kitchen I installed the two sliders here for the drawer, and I made the drawer. It's not here yet because it's on the shop waiting for the paint to dry, but basically it's the same as the other two which I built in this video on this side. Still need to figure out the hole for the drain on the floor, but I installed the shower, which is here with 4 meters flexible, very flexible pipe, and I just have here a hook to keep everything in place when driving, and the collar here to hold the drain securely in place. It's there. This is something I will tell you about on another video. It's not part of the kitchen, but you will see. Then I modified a little bit the pipe system. The line here was a little bit too long, so I installed here 90-degree elbow, and the hot water, I basically went straight from here and up to the, it's behind there, but so basically I went straight in one continuous inclined line to the faucet. So if I want to drain out to winterize the van, I can easily, you know, empty the line because it's on an angle. And for the same reason I installed down here, let's see if I can show you. Yeah, this one, see, there is a T over there, and that one, that white piece, it's a T adapter. So I split the line. One is this one with a small ball valve, which is always closed, and the other one is the main that goes on everything else. And the ball valve, it's there so I can winterize the van. So with that ball valve I can drain the water heater and everything else, all the pipes, down to the exterior of the van. I just went through one of those holes that are already in the van down there, and I used another roll to go out with this small pipe, which is the safety pressure valve for the water heater. That's also, it's done, and I already filled it up with water, everything except the filtration system, still empty, and it works. It's not working now because there's no power on the pump, but no leaks, everything is good. So here I removed the shower drawer, which is here, and the two drawers under the table, because I forgot to paint them. So right now they're in the shop, and actually I didn't paint the interior of this cabinet. I did paint with clear stain the exterior, but I didn't paint the interior of this specific cabinet. So I think I will remove the sliders and give it a coat of paint also in here, because why not, you know, to prevent mold. It's always nice to have at least one coat of paint, and right now it's easier than later. So I want to make sure to, you know, go to the next step of the build with all those things done, so I don't have to think about them anymore. Then here I have this roll of synthetic leather, I think it's called. It's yeah, fake leather. It's black with some shapes in it. I chose this one because why not? I liked it. It's a little bit more modern, let's say. And I'm gonna use this. Let me see if can you see it? Yeah. It's really thick and with some squishy stuff on the back. So very soft. And I'm gonna use this on this part right here and on the other side of the bed. So because as you can see, the mattress, it's almost there. There's not much space. I'm gonna glue just this, which is like 4 millimeters or something, directly on the insulation here, and I will make a frame with the same wood as this one that will go all around it. Probably next step of the build will be the upper cabinet of the kitchen, and for the bed, one right here and one over the kitchen over there. But also I have some modification to do on the exterior. Another thing I did on the kitchen, it's an outdoor table. If you saw my past videos, I was thinking about doing it, and I did. I used some magnet to keep in place, so I can just get my finger behind and pull, and those 3 dots are magnet, 3 on the kitchen cabinet and 3 on the table itself. There is a piano hinge on the bottom, stainless steel piano hinge, and this, it's for the leg, which is, it's this. If you know something about photography, you know what this is. If you don't, let me explain. So basically I had a kind of cheap tripod that it was broke, one leg was missing basically, and there was another leg, which is this one, which the only part of the tripod that I kept, that it's working as a monopod. And this screw, it's the standard screw for ball head, and this part right here, this blue aluminum part, came out from the ball head of the tripod. So right now I can just screw the monopod on the table like this. I can extend the leg like this, depending on the ground level. I can open it and boom. Okay, right now it's too much because it's not flat right here, but you get the point. and from the floor, from the ground level to the table, it's almost the same as from the floor of the van to the kitchen countertop. So it works really great if I want to take out the induction on the table to cook outside. Actually, let me show you how it works. Voila! And just like this, I can cook outside. Really easy, really fast, and to put it back, just like this. It goes down. I can open this back. Voila! Then on the exterior I installed with a magnet, those very like big magnet from Amazon made for cars to temporarily install things, and I modified a little bit them to make a bracket to hold my maxtrax on the side of the van. Let me show you. So this is the setup. I used two cable with lock to secure it to the roof rack. Those are the magnets. I made the bracket using the standard maxtrax holding pins that can hold up to 4 maxtrax. Now I have just 2, but I'm thinking about buy another 2, because 4 it's always best than 2 if you are in a bad situation. And they are really strong magnet. They are holding really strongly on the side of the van. I had no issue at all. I drive around a lot, even on bumpy roads. Very strong magnet. Highly recommended. That's it. That's what's going on so far. Those next few days I'm not working too much on the van, because I also have a garden to take care, and it takes time. So yeah, you know, I just have 24 hours a day and I need to sleep, unfortunately. But for sure I'm going to glue the leather, the fake leather, on the side of the bed. That's one job that I want to finish by the end of the week. So I can cut the frames that needs to be also sanded, painted, 3-coat paint, blah blah blah, you know. Yeah, painting is not my favorite job. Anyway, yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Sorry if in this one I didn't show you much, but I'm working day by day, a little by little, but I want to keep you updated and give you, you know, every week something, so there is more of a flow on the working situation here. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and comment under the video if you didn't understand something. I'm really happy to help and to answer all your questions. Consider to subscribe if you wanna help me grow the channel and stay updated with all the videos that are coming. And hopefully in a few, let's say a couple of months, I'll be finished. Hopefully. Because I need to work. I have a full-time job and it's not easy. Not at all. There is so many things to do. So many hours spent on planning, researching materials, you know, tools and stuff, not just doing. 70-80% it's working on the van, but there is a good 20-30% of working on the computer, just researching, learning how to do things and figuring things out, plus making those videos, which is another job. So thank you again and see you in the next one. Bye. Okay. Good. That one, it's wait. They're going to be like so yeah, if I could not sleep, it would be really nice. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.